Now question 7. Find the derivative s the given s value so you work, right? So you have f prime of s equals 3 times secant square of s, right? Now, in order to evaluate the function s were 2 pi over 3, you need to convert secant to cosine s, right? So this guy turns out to be 3 over cosine square of s. Now, if you want to learn how to memorize the trick and entities, please check out the link in the description below. So, f prime of 2 pi over 3 equals 3 divided by cosine square of 2 pi over 3, right? Now, you know that cosine of 2 pi over 3 equals negative 1 half, right? So this guy turns out to be 3 over negative 1 half altogether square, right? So it could be 3 over 1 over 4, right? Now multiply the top and bottom by 4. So the answer is 12, right? Now question 8. F prime of S is 2 times secant s tangent s, right? Now secant s equals 1 over cosine, right? So this guy turns out to be 2 tangent s over cosine s, right? So then f prime of pi over 4 is 2 tangent of pi over 4 over cosine of pi over 4, right? So this guy turns out to be tangent of pi over 4 equals 1, right? So it could be 2 over cosine of pi over 4 equals root 2 over 2, right? Now multiply the top bottom by 2. So it's going to be, this guy cancel out. So it could be 4 over root 2. Now multiply the top bottom by root 2. So the answer should be 4 root 2 over 2. Or divide the top bottom by 2. So it could be 2 root 2 is the final answer, right? Now question 9. F prime of S is, we're going to use the product rule, right? So derivative of S equals 1. So cotangent S plus derivative of cotangent S is negative cosecant square of S, right? So I have negative S times cosecant square of S, right? Now I need to convert cotangent S to tangent S, right? So it can be 1 over tangent S, right? Now minus cosecant square of S is 1 over sine square of S, right? So it can be S over sine square of S, right? Now f prime of pi over 6 is the same thing as 1 over tangent of pi over 6 minus pi over 6 divided by sine square of pi over 6, right? Now I'm going to simplify. Tangent of pi over 6 is root 3 over 3, right? So it will be 1 over root 3 over 3 minus pi over 6 over sine of pi over 6 equals 1 half, right? So when you square, it's going to be 1 over 4. For this one, I'm going to multiply the top and bottom by 3, right? So it turns out to be 3 over root 3, right? For this one, I'm going to multiply the top and bottom by 4, right? So this guy cancel out, right? So 4 pi over 6, it could be 2 pi over 3, right? So minus 2 pi over 3. Now, this one right here, I need to multiply the top and bottom by root 3, right? So I have 3 root 3 minus 2 pi over 3. This one is the final answer, right? Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember that if you failing to prepare, you're preparing to fail.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in